Human life is built on the bonds we make. From the time we are born, we bond with everything and everyone around us. These connections mold us, shape us, and help us grow. And in turn, they help us make the world a better place. At Pressfit, our mission is to create bonds between people and the world. That's why our products help safely connect the world around us.
We are one of India's leading producers of wires, cables, pipes and switches among a wide portfolio of products.
Wherever you are, you won't be far from forming a bond with a Pressfit product. But the cornerstone of any bond is trust.
A customer's trust is the first thing you should earn before anything else. For us, quality is life. Modern technology is the leading force, but customers' satisfaction is our significant target. It is the motto of Pressfit.
हमने 1979 में ये कारोबार शुरू किया था। आपकी बदौलत से हम आज यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं और भी अच्छी रेंज देंगे और आपका भी सहकार रहेगा तो और आगे बढ़ेंगे, आपको और क्वालिटी देंगे।
Over the past 2 decades, Pressfit has grown from a small business venture into an industry giant with a commanding status in the market. We have diversified from casings and capings to wires, cables, pipes and modular switches, all while maintaining the same vision and dedication to our customers that we started with. We are India's trusted specialists in domestic electrical wiring and have been a pioneer in the production of specialized PVC products and accessories which form the core to domestic electric wiring. The quality of Pressfit products is guaranteed by the mark of conformity bestowed on us by the Indian Standards Institute, which controls and safeguards the correspondence of products to the Indian requirements. Our power-saving and flame-retardant products adhere to national and international standards of production and control. With a commitment to innovation and the introduction of new technologies in the electrical domain, we are sure to surpass the need and the demand of our end customers. And this is all thanks to our steadfast directors, whose remarkable dedication and thirst for innovation have kept bringing us forward. Today, let us give you an insight into this innovation that makes our products safe, reliable, and long-lasting. Our journey begins at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Here, the pipes start off as high-quality PVC raw material. This material is automatically sucked up by an industrial mixer, heated and shipped to the production machinery with minimal wastage. The melted material flows out onto the dais and is inserted into a water tank for cooling. After the material has been cooled, the automated printing process of each conduit begins. The finished conduit is now ready for coupling and socketing. From here on, the conduit is heated, punched and socketed. To ensure quality, each pipe goes through a rigorous bending test to check for signs of cracks. A compression test, impact test and collapse test to check the sturdiness and flexibility of the pipe. The final product is a lightweight, maintenance-free, corrosion and chemical-resistant product ready for packaging. Pressfit wires and cables are made in a state-of-the-art facility where the pure copper raw material is sourced.
After being inserted into the drawing machinery, an 8 mm gauge is used to increase ductility. It is then beaten in a finer gauge machine to produce 1, 1.5 and 2.5 4 and 6 gauge wire. The various sizes of copper proceed to the annealing machinery. 1 square millimeter consists of 14 strands of copper wire, and each strand measures into 0.3 millimeter gauge. We see the wires going through the bunching process.
Here is the PVC coating machine. Here are two of the more important components of the PVC coating machine. In the first one, we add the PVC compound, and in the second one, we add the master batch, which adds color to the wire. The flame here shows you that our wires do not catch fire. In addition to that, the flame provides a shine to the wire, which makes it look good even when it's not concealed.
The wires are then printed per meter and coiled.
We at Pressfit give immense importance to quality testing. Here you can see one of our chief engineers testing the product, the wires and the cables for their tensile strength and their elongation. Here you can see one of the most important quality tests of these wires. These are electrical wires and hence we have to test their conductivity.
The final product is a flexible single or multi-core wire that is tested to ISI specifications, is submersible, flame retardant, and can be concealed easily within walls, and is used for televisions, CCTV cameras, telephone wires, load wires, and a lot more. Pressfit switches come in beautiful ranges: 1 modular, Glory, Gold, and EVA. 1 modular switches are created from fire-retardant, self-extinguishing polycarbonate plastic materials and can easily withstand high temperatures.
In order to fuel our growth, Pressfit is determined to invest heavily into the best technology which is available in the market. This, as you can see, is one of the latest horizontal injection molding machines available. This is used to produce our 5-in-1 plates, our LX plates, our gang boxes, or even something like our cable ties.
Ultraviolet stabilized material is also used to avoid discoloration even after prolonged exposure to sunlight. Its rocker mechanism helps to prevent electrical sparking, thus ensuring your safety. They consist of bimetallic contacts that don't allow carbon deposits to accumulate. The lifespan of these switches are successfully tested for up to 40,000 on and off cycles. Considering an average of 5 on and offs per day, the life of these switches is 22 years. This range also includes sockets, fan regulators, and LX plates. Thus offering a complete, elegant switching solution for your home.
Gold switches are fabricated by using high-grade factor inputs and superior quality of thermoset material available in the market.
All the contact parts in these switches are made up of brass. These factor inputs make the switches resistant to high temperatures, thus preventing meltdown during sparking. Pressfit Gold switches comprise of a full-bore range of switches available in classic white shade. The range also includes sockets specially designed to fit any international plug, along with dimmers and regulators with properly soldered circuits, which makes the product long-lasting. The production process is overseen by highly trained and skilled engineers to ensure each part is safe and up to the mark. Finally, let us see how the Glory range of switches live up to their tagline, "Seriously Unbreakable." These switches are made of A-grade polycarbonate, which gives them a glossy finish. All the contact parts in the switches are made of brass. Its high impact resistance make these switches unbreakable and long-lasting. So much so that the material used in its manufacturing can be recycled as well. In this way, our every cable, switch, wire or pipe is made keeping in mind our most important connection, you, as there is nothing we are more committed to than the safety and happiness of our customers. And what is the proof of this commitment? This is the result of our constant need for innovation and focus on safety and quality. And every time you use a Pressfit product, you can be rest assured that you are connecting to safety, quality and innovation. And that's a bond to last a lifetime. Pressfit, a bond for life.